Hi everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank for the Dimapur Ao Baptist Church Youth Department for giving me this opportunity to make a video about the problem of substance abuse in and how it affects our children. So, মই কি opportunity দিয়াটো বেছি খুশি পাই যে আৰু এইটো short video through আৰু তাহান এইটো campaign কৰাৰ বেছি মানুহলা help পাব কৰনা মই প্ৰাৰ্থনা কৰনা আপোনালোক অলপ knowledge অলপ share কৰোঁ মানে আছে so substance abuse la do idu serious ti do apnian sai thakise goli do bishi idea paina thakibo dia do ki substance abuse to ki substance ekta do ki ase goli do mon tare drugs idu dimag ti idu ahe but more importantly alcohol kan aro idu tobacco kan idon alag alag kisam kan idon sob so substance abuse koi do idu substance abuse ekta do moi itia kobole la do tinta part te bhag korna apnian li share kuru mon ase first thing to ki idu biya saman kan khala kora amai tawra khala kora dam di tai pregnant thaga dam di nolibi baby ke breastfeeding kora dam di do kinia problem kore idu ekta part ase aru second part to ekta bacha chutu bacha ekta or family ekta de ama baba ekta substance abuser thakise guli idu bacha la health te kinia affect kore idu la ekta part kro manager third party in short pra moi idu bacha kan ta nijor like bishi chutu na libi olop grown up thaga dam di say even chotu bacha 10 years kan even idulo chotu alagan bi substance abuse kora do mon alag alag kisam ki na khawlela saman use kora do mon idu bujina ase to idura bacha kan ki specifically kinia affect kore idu short pro go man ase so substance abuse to alag alag saman ase or sob to moi detail ra ekta korna jaisili do problem hobo libi mon sob se commonly idu drugs used to be alag alag drugs thake aro mudu khan bi alag alag mudu thake aro especially tobacco most of the time mon yadi dikhado especially ama kan do smokers kan smoking kora cigarette biri kan khado mon la society de iman do common noy but sob manu jani gutka idu kundu it's a oral form of chewable form of tobacco thake nicotine kundu thake idu khado beshi manu dikhe so mon clinic tv mon dikhe thake aro even during pregnancy time to mon la gynae doctor kan ba bhal wal explain ko paribo but ini tangan la impact to usually do alag alag chemical do kinia bacha ge effect kori gele da amala kida type ra khabo tala idu body de circulate idu toxin kan idu bia saman la tala idu kan circulate kora baby bi direct pregnant thaga den do amma aro baby do separate no ektai ase like duita manu thagibo pare but as a unit medically it's a single unit so obviously kun ki amma khai tala blood ti ki circulate kore kiman level high jai sob to baby ge direct effect kore so idula point of view is a for example gutka kundi ge nicotine tage nicotine la blood level do kha biche baby ge kina effect koril the first thing do itu khavra baby la time age de premature birth hobo pare second thing do baby la growth te effect korwa time punchi che holibi tala weight kiman gain korule ase thik tak gain nokorna thagibo pare second thing do baby la growth time de tala development brain can especially don growth time de tala idura cognitive pichi de brain effect korwa tala pichi de pora likha time nolibi tala bujai la nolibi tala idu manula behavior problem kan bishi olai gona studies kan bar koi thage ase aro second thing to sudden infant death syndrome bacha de janam hoa biche iku problem nai holibi humaina rakhi dije iku heart problem nai iku lungs problem bimar bi thagana achanak promori sudden infant death syndrome idu kan bi kun kan ama kan nicotine kha pregnant thaga time de idu use koi thagise idu koi thage so second question to ki pregnant thaga time de to gutka kha manoan do kiman khaile do effect kori na hodibo pare but there's nothing equal level nai ki iman khali do tala level do 100 200 punchi segule de do baby ge man jor effect kore nothing like that manu baby condition la upor depend kore so first thing is tala thagi segule effect kro now kiman effect kro do kun bi ko na pare so best advice is don't use it second thing though after delivery bichi ki hobo pare ki amado gutka do khaya ase mon la clinic ti bacha kan ki alag alag lina problem ai thage mon la nijer la hospital delivery hobi hobo pare dusar jaga ra delivery again the first 2-3 days or even after 1-2 month bichi alag alag problem adam de specifically nicotine abuse la do tahan kuigina nahibo pare kili mane tahan nijer do bishi manu awareness to nai ki kinika tobacco bra effect kori dia na jane holibi bacha do kandi thage phalwa nohomai khala de tai breastfeeding kandi problem hoi thage ina lugina ado idu nicotine la effect bi hobo pare one thing second thing do bacha la after birth bi taila growth ti bi effect kro taila brain de bi effect kro lungs ti bi effect kro pichide de do smoking holibi tobacco kha lungs kan asthma kan holibi respiratory problem kan bishi hola these are studies which are there which proves that this is directly effect of nicotine etikla na bacha la pichide Taila even janam wala agi dekha kan birth defect kan thaga bi pichidi aigena taise. For example, cleft lip as a heart ti problem as a heart thing the deformities hogina ido an sab to ido ekta specific tobacco as. Next thing do another ekta gota do alcohol la bi thage ki alcohol khabre ama kan mudu khai thage kan bishi thage ajigali la dunia de it's almost a lifestyle la ekta part of lifestyle hui jaise moala to alcoholic bhi ho pare no alcoholic bhi ho pare or like kitaba khaman occasional drinkers social drinkers kan bhi thagibo pare so idu kan kha kan ba baby dikine affect kore same thing especially again alcohol is something which is a very toxic chemical so idu do moala liver by digest kurna filai de now ama do adult ase tai do khai na liver ba do handle kuro paro but the babies inside the utero pet pitore thaga liver do still immature ase so amala khala level do same as a baby la liver do chuto as so obviously tala concentration in the fetus blood and fetal body de alcohol la level do bishi high jai idura alag effect kore most mon sabse phui aro sabse well known the fetal alcohol syndrome disorder koi idu de kinia koi goli the baby la physical deformity thagi typical kunuma thage tan la mental development de brain develop growth ti ho pare or physical other problems ho pare to ekta fetal alcohol syndrome amado bishi alcoholic abuse thagi na finally bacha ke deliver kora dam di idu mon idu syndrome dikha do mon bi ekta duita case to mila life to bi mon bi handle korina ase to idu bacha gan do first thing sawole ekdam alag thage matlab tala matha do lop chutu tala suku gan de lop chutu thage tala nak to lop upturn thage lip to lop patla thage na idu mon la lips la opor de idu ekta cleft thage idu na thage na sawole do alcohol fetal alcohol faces koi idu an ke aro other mental tala idu kiba development tala pura likha de nolibi tala manuge na punchi na problem bishi olai thage itu ikla nina itu nicotine nishna taibi itu premature birth ho pare ki problem ho pare aro itu kan sob to thagibo after birth now again next question to bishi wala babi aro moan ki bi hoti dai ki doctor sahab ite to bacha pailu se moi ite to like kitaba moan ite occasion ta party ta thage jaina alcohol khawna na khaw hoti thage so itu damdi kiman khawo khaichile ki hoine hoti thage first simple thing is that there is no safe level of alcohol for pregnant women as well as breastfeeding mother so mohan directly ko na par ki idu khaichile iku nai gona there is no scientific proof so first thing is na khai phal kili mane alcohol kha manon la bacha kan baby kan ki hoi tai bi idu amala dud khawa first thing do amado dud alcohol khaisile tala breast milk to kumti hoi jai go kili mane idu oxytocin kundu the breast milk production di help koi tadi interfere koi so idu amado breast milk kumti ho baby do breastfeeding kumti paisile idu la problem do complication do lai jao second thing ki amala alcohol khawa tala idu baby la liver de condition age de condition ro jaina effect kore second thing baby bi tai nijor bi idu over sleepy hoi jabo pare lethargic ho pare idu tai bi nisha laga nishna amara mudu khai gena tai ge breastfeeding kora do through breast milk jaina baby ki bi effect koribo aro piche de idu la bacha kan do behavior problem pura likha de problem idu an to sob olai goi so that is about alcohol and pregnancy and breastfeeding. Now regarding drugs abuse can be there are different types of drugs starting from the simple what we call a recreational drug like marijuana ganja kundu koi idura lugina mohan ajigile sunflower koi LSD koi amphetamine koi methamphetamine koi there are so many other drugs which like obviously idu kha manon la ama kandu ini bi weak thage to bacha bi weak olawo idu nisna alcohol or nicotine nisna ra idu same problem do bacha kan ki bi effect kore aro ekta unique ekta do mohan puila de huni thage ki aro dikhi thaga do ki especially idu opioid bacha idon khai na bacha delivery huli do bacha to bi drug addict nishna jonam tin bai start kori kili mane tai idu amala pet bitor de over expose korna thagar ba ama kha dam de tai bi high hoi jai go so bacha pa bichi do tai ama tai jin do separate hoi jai ama do khai thagibo pare na khai thagibo pare do bacha do withdrawal symptom na drug addict kan nishna kandi thage kapi thagibo seizure kan bi ahe go to idu time de pula la zamana do koi thage ke iniala bacha paisi one story huna but clinically we don't do that but idula bacha kan ki ama ki khai thage same drugs to dili bacha do chup chap thage na we hear anecdotal stories about all that but nowadays we don't handle it like that there are different methods of handling babies who are born to mother who are addicted to all these kind of dangerous and very addictive drugs so that's it about in short about ki baby kan idon substance abuse for kina और second moi point ekta apni kan ko do ki bacha ekta family de ama baba an kunuma idu alcoholic thage drug abuser thage nolibi idu nicotine addict khan thagele kinia kore kuisu guli do idon do substance abuse la family kun kan addicted thage idon la family do bishi disruption thage to idu ekta bacha ekta da growing up la time ase they need physical guidance they need to be nourished physically mentally emotionally in all the spheres So first thing to bacha inala thaka do tang all the time but khore hala kore chagra kore amado baba do mudu khai ki ga nor they are always anxious, always depressed, always scared aro manon lo socially jaina interact kru garne tangan bishi problem olai jai go. Second thing to tangan la obvious education kan dibi effect kura start kru tangan school de ama baba wa tik time de phota na pare or idula bacha kan do school jai si goli do tangan la peers kan sati satini kan ba tangan ge jukai de hasai de dukan ba tangan la school dibi effect kore. Second thing though, another thing is tangan la ama baba do kun kan addict thage even ekta baba ekta especially baba kan ni bishi alcoholic to thage. Of course ajikali ama kan bi alcoholic kan bi bishi dikhi ase ama baba ini kan every time jagra kuri sile tangan hotai bhui de thage ki moala situation do aji do birthday mana ase baba nai sile something like that, always in a fear. So obviously when they grow up they become psychologically very affected. Second thing is like when they tangan ke ini ada tangan ni baba ki take care kora den amma tak pi tala nijor la help biya hoichu li do bacha ang ke tangan la tik tak khala tik tak gu na pare junk food tikla khilai tage tangan ke hygiene enim kaw thola ole kapra kan tik tak na laga ole so itula consequences to bimar simar hui thage na school time de do and everything emotional guidance kan diwo na pare. So long term if it be immediate effect bi thage long term iduan bacha kan grow up kora dam de aro what happens in this kind of family de bacha kan jaise guli do takan bi nijore piche de alcoholic hobo pare, drug abuser hobo pare. So there and then takan ala idula khori thaka kan do physical abuses kan bi bishe ama baba kita do baba do mudu khai na ki wadan na jane na bacha ke gusa lagile mara mare kore abuse kore. So these are the like very and then another sad thing is like kide ama baba ine hoi jai bacha to kun sabse especially the elder sibling kan do tai nijore ama baba nishna ho jai. So she that boy or the girl has to take care of her siblings ki choto bacha kan ke tan siblings can help korna role reversal, parental role reversal hoina now they become the eldest in the family. So ekta bacha ine ekta hoichuli choto time bra bura buri nishna hoichule taila childhood to rob hoi jai. So these all also have a very bad impact on the growth of the child as well as in the long term it will affect our society as a whole. So these are the like how it the family de ine thagado. So in short our third thing it now bacha kan kita tahan nijor he in a family bra all or ke through school de no big bad sati satini kan bra bad bia niyom hiki na tahan nijor gutka kha start kore, smoking kora start kore, all of alcohol testing kora start kore, no libi like gunuba the drug abuse to be land up kore. Those are adolescent, usually in the adolescent age group, even sometimes even the younger age group bi dikhe. So this childhood la time do idu adult khan aro bacha kan la ki difference ase guli of course khai se guli the nisha do lage high do hoy that like that problem is like almost seem that the effect is same with adults and children, but in growing up children the difference is that these are children who are still growing up, so they are physically not mature, mentally not mature, emotionally not mature. So this kind of substance abuses is going to impact in the growth, in the physical growth, in the sense that tangando idu kunuwa do taila kiman height weight gain grow thage tadi effect kora start grow stunted growth. Second thing do tan puberty reach to puncho time de kunuwa puberty tik time de na puncho, so idu bi ekta problem hobo aro tangan dusar jaga tibi tangan la idu problem physical growth tibi other organ development heart lungs kan nolibi liver nari sari de development tibi tatibi effect kuri koi. Second thing do inigala bacha kan do idu tangan iniga abusers kan do ki hoy tangan do mentally tangan still idu development tangan behavioral issue kore tangan risks over bishi misha la risks loss start kro nili decision making din go tangan la idu impulse control na misha ini adventurous manon chal idu kro ni acha guna agree guna jaina ulta pulta kam krole misha kam krole they are more prone to developing this kind of behavior. So because tangan la brain do debi tangan tik tak idu decision making do harbi phalra na ha dam de alcohol nalibi idu substance drugs kan bra tangan ke effect korna lifestyle do inia impact kore go. Or second thing though of course education time dibi tan school pura likha dibi school tik time de na jabo pura likha dibi tan effect kro because idu tan behavior ikla noina tan la memory khan dibi noli tan la idu kundu bujibole lagase learning ability don sab to dull kore de don substance khan bra. So these are the other type of effect. And of course idu bacha kan do iman juldi start korisin na chari ge na jai thakisile to physically tan la the risk of like you know different types of physical diseases like cancer hobi oral throat cancer lung cancer nari cancer idu kan bi olawole heart problem kan olawole chance ase tan la idu lungs te problem kan chronic diseases and smoking kan usually olawo chance ase. So in short this is how as substance abuse is impacting our children. Bacha kan ki idu ama baba kan tik tak na thagarwa tai nijor la life ruin guran na nijor la family or bacha kan ki forever biya kori de or in society as a general be effect kora start kori. So another last point I want to add is that iduan smoking kan nolibi alcohol kan khalo kora kiniga effect kori direct or indirect effect thake. So iduan sob to buji na ama baba kan holi bi mohan bacha la morom tu sob manu morom kori bishi kotha bi koi sob tibi mohan la bacha focus as a family to dikhi thake, but mohan nijor ke bi control korishi gole do it's going to be having a big impact on your children directly and a society as a whole. So this is a challenge, and then this is a challenge I want to give out to all of you. And then again, I thank the Dimapur Ao Baptist Aruku for giving me this opportunity to share this small knowledge. Hope it has lasting impact on all of us. So stay healthy and stay strong. Thank you.